In this lesson, you'll specify the lighting levels that are required for the different spaces within the building, such as offices, restrooms, and conference rooms. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Electrical Systems folder, open the file RME Elec Planning 02. Let's add a project parameter for lighting. Click the Manage tab, and from the Project Settings panel, click Project Parameters. In the Project Parameters dialog, click Add, and in the Parameter Properties dialog, for name, type Required Lighting Level. For discipline, select Electrical, and for type of parameter, select Illuminance, and for group parameter under, select Electrical Lighting, and under Categories, select Spaces, and verify that instance is selected, and click OK twice. Let's verify the new parameter. In the project browser, expand Lighting, Design, Floor Plans, and double-click Level 2 Lighting Plan. Then select the space object, space 218 as shown, and click Element Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Electrical Lighting, note the new parameter Required Lighting Level and click OK. Now let's create a schedule for required lighting levels. Click the View tab, and from the Create panel, click the Schedules drop-down and select Schedule Quantities. In the New Schedule dialog, under Category, select Spaces, and for name, type Space Lighting Requirements. Then select Schedule Keys, and for key name, type Lighting Levels, and click OK. In the Schedule Properties dialog, on the Fields tab, under Available Fields, double-click Required Lighting Level. Then click OK. In the Schedule view, double-click the column boundary to the right of each column to adjust the column to fit the text. Next, let's add space lighting requirements to the schedule table. From the Schedule panel, under Rows, click New. Then, under Key Name, type OpenOffice and press Enter. For required lighting level, enter 45. Adjust the column boundaries as needed. Then, click New to add 13 more rows and complete the table by entering the following. You will need to pause the video at this point to complete the table. Next, we'll change the sort order of the schedule. Right-click in the schedule and click View Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, for sorting or grouping, click Edit. In the Schedule Properties dialog, on the Sorting and Grouping tab, for Sort By, select Required Lighting Level, and then select Blank Line, and click OK twice. Next, we'll apply a lighting level to spaces. Open the View Level 2 Lighting Plan, select Space 218, and click Element Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Electrical Lighting, notice that Required Lighting Level is blank, and then scroll down to under Identity Data And for lighting levels, select Instruction Standard. Then scroll back up and notice now that required lighting level has a value of 50. The value is dimmed since the lighting level is set to use the value assigned to the instruction standard key value. The only way to change the value is to either select a different lighting level key or select none for lighting level and type a specific value, or edit the required lighting level key schedule for the selected key. Since required lighting level is an instance parameter, the value input applies only to the selected space. Click OK and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.